What's up, guys? Excuse me. Welcome back to my channel. Before we proceed, please know that this is not financial advice. You can do whatever you like with your money. And that said, let's take a sip of coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Everything, guys, everything tastes better with Casper. Today we're about to do the same thing we do every day, okay? Like Pinky and the Brain. We're about to look at the market performance for the past 24 hours. Then we'll look at our positions, okay? We'll look at our positions to see how we're doing. If you're going up, down, left, right. Again, very important for you to do that every day, okay? Also look at prices in a little in-depth, in details, so that you will know what the price is doing. Is it actually crashing? Is it getting ready to take off, going sideways? Those things are very important to do for every trader, okay? I don't just jumping into TAs and just pull the numbers off my head. No, it's good you see those things, you look at the patterns, you look at the trends. They help in making trade decisions. Like a new trade that I entered today, I will show you guys, just a quick trade to make some extra cash. I want to use you know the drill. Use some extra cash to scale up my trades, or probably make some cash for in case if I ever need, some other cash for something else. So, well, that's what we're about to do today. But before we do that, let's tackle this. Let's tackle this subject. A lot of people don't want to think about it. Not yet, as for the moment. Me, you guys already know the way I trade. I don't like. Excuse me. I don't like to wait for price confirmation. I don't like to wait for anything. As a matter of fact, I have my schedule on how I trade, okay? And so far, it has worked for me. It's worked perfectly for me. So now, today we're about to talk about the bear market. I know, guys. I know it's 10 to 12 months away, yeah. But, to be honest, I start preparing for the bear market right now. Okay, when the bull run shifting gear in the third gear, we shift the first gear, second gear, third gear, like we're doing right now, that is when I start preparing myself for the bear market. Okay, a lot of you would think maybe this guy is crazy, but hey, listen, let me explain myself. When you go to the bear market, some people use their own money, like how they're going to short the market and make money out of it. They use money they already saved from their working their 9 to 5. Me, I do it totally different. Right now, as you guys know, I have seasonal trades that I won't touch until the top of the bull run, or close to the top of the bull run. Sorry, I can't speak to that. Let me drink some water. Yeah, and I also have another trade that I use. I do trade based on the support and resistance. I do that too. Now, every time I take profits, guys, I usually take a small amount and set on the side. That's what I usually do. Every time I take profits, I take a small amount, set on the side. I don't know what your position is. I don't know how much you are making. But for me, I make it a habit of taking 10 to 20% of my profits and set on the side. Okay, so because as you see, coin, excuse me, when it comes to the bear market, I don't normally short any other asset other than Bitcoin and Ethereum. Okay, but lately I'm just gonna stick to Bitcoin and some of the popular meme coins. Okay, because like Bitcoin, I have a schedule for it, when I enter my shorts and when I enter my longs. In one of my other videos, I did explain how I do this. If you're interested, you can go back and watch my videos and you will find it. So what I do, like I said, you set 10, I set 10 to 20% of my profits on the side, okay? And when the time comes, as soon as I close my longs on my long position on my Bitcoin, immediately I open the short position. Okay, I open the short position. That's how I tell guys, once you learn how to do this, you will never ever have to take money out of your pocket to fund your trades. You'll never ever have to do it. You'll just have to cycle money from the exchange. It started like a joke, guys. A lot of you already know how this started for me. I watched this guy that I kind of respect a lot, Crypto, Chris. He's a guy that if you know him, man, he's a good guy. He's a very good guy when it comes to crypto, Bitcoin trading. A lot of people they add meme coins and all that crap to their portfolios and try to make themselves look good. But Chris, he sticks to one coin or sometimes two when he does his tradings. Okay, from him, I started learning about how to trade, and the way he explained it, and I got it. He said, "Listen, I had a link down. Go to that link, meet their requirements, deposits, and start trading." Okay, and start trading. Once you start trading, you start making profits. Take your initial deposit out and grow the money that you get from these exchanges. That's how we started. If I tell you today that my positions you're looking at, I started with $100, a lot of you will not believe me. That's how I started. The same thing goes. That's why now we are 10 to 12 months away from the top of the bull run and the beginning of the bear market. Okay, so now is when you have to start thinking about this. A lot of people put it on the side. They'll be like, you know what, I will start thinking about it when we get there. I will use my gains from let's say some people usually use the money they make from the long positions that they are in right now to short the market. I don't do that for a simple reason, a very simple reason. Bitcoin usually top out before the altcoins do. You understand? So if you have money on the side that you've been saving during the bull run, as soon as the Bitcoin price tops out, or you think it's closer to topping out, you guys already know how I do. Once I have a feeling that it's already topping out, I get into my position, I scale it up, and there we go. So far, he has done me good, because a few times I have done this, the price from where I put in my short, the price has gone up probably $3,000 to $5,000, and then it crashed, and I've been able to make money. So yeah, that is what I want to tell you guys. Do not wait. Okay, in this my millionaire journey, we do not wait for price confirmation. Again, when time for the bear market comes, I will not wait for Bitcoin to show me. Come on. I will not wait for Bitcoin to show me that, hey, I have topped out. Now getting no. When that specific time comes, guys, just like I did with Casper, with Quant and Jasmine, I will go in, put my positions, and you guys will be here to bear witness to it. That's when how I usually do things. Full transparency. I usually show you guys how I do this. Again, I don't want to use my own money, and plus I don't want to wait and use the gains that I'm going to make from my long-time seasonal longs to open the short on Bitcoins. Again, like I said, you guys have to choose. Okay, both in the bull run and in the bear market. In the bear market, I don't short no any other coin other than Bitcoin. I short the hell out of Bitcoin, and I'm telling you guys right now, people think Bitcoin is done for. No. Right now, I told you guys, a month and a half from now, you guys will be happy you were in this trade. Because if you look at altcoins, Bitcoin is kind of going sideways. But look at Ethereum, guys. Ethereum is beginning to take off, which means altcoin season is about to start. You're about to start making a lot of money. That's why I'm bringing this topic up today. So once altcoin season starts and you start to make that money, remember, now is the time for you to start getting ready for the bear market. That way you will not have to use money out of your own pocket. Okay, what you will do is, like, each time you take the profits, remember to take 10 to 15%, put on the side, getting ready for the bear market. Understand? I know I'm repeating myself over and over again, but that is the strategy that worked for me. And again, this is not financial advice. Give it a try and you will see. Give it a try and you'll see. Okay, a lot of people like I think I'll start leaving a link to my X account. What you call it? You guys call it X. I'm so used to call it Twitter. I'll start leaving a link for my Twitter account. That way you guys can follow me over there, and if you have questions and whatever, and you can tag along and ask something like that. Again, that's how I do my thing. You guys already know. When I open a trade, I'll let you guys know. I was just sitting here right before I started this video. I opened a turbo trade just to make some quick cash out of it. But anyways, yeah, that is it. That's how you do this. I will say it again. The altcoin season is about to start because Ethereum is going up and Bitcoin is going sideways and doing its thing. So altcoins, we're about to have a run for the altcoins. And when that happens, you start to make gains. Remember, you need to start taking aside 10 to 15%. Okay? Start accumulating USDT for your bear market position. When I enter mine, I will let you guys know, as always. Okay? That way you don't have to use money from your own pocket or from your 9-to-5 job and anything else. And guys, please do not go short anything else when the time comes. I'm telling you guys, I'm only going to short Bitcoin and a few of the meme coins. Okay, a few of the meme coins that are the popular ones, because the popular ones usually crash even harder than this a lot of the shit ones that are out there. Okay, that's what I want to start with today. Now that we got that out of the way, let's go look at the market to see how the market has been performing for the past 24 hours. Again, I told you guys, time is now. Do not wait for price confirmation. Okay, the thing is about to run. The coins that we are dealing with, King Casper, Quant, and Jasmine, guys, those things are about to make you a lot of money. Okay, the next month and a half are going to be extra wonderful. Okay, so yeah, now let's go look at my crypto bubbles first, right quick. We got here crypto bubbles. As you can see, yeah, we are fairly green. Everything is running great. There's not much red in the market right now. Okay, everybody who is afraid, and I've been telling you for the past couple of days, there is no point. Market does this. It's normal. We have some downwards, which are a little bit what you call it, people taking profit. It's okay. Market does this. Because if you are bearish right now, I don't know what to tell you, man. Now let's look at King Casper first. KAS. Okay, Casper, for the past 1 hour, we are up 1.6%, 3.8% down on the day, 3.4% down on the week, 1.1% up on the month, and 246% up on the year. Looking at Quant, QNT, look at that. Quant, we're up 2.1% in the last hour, 0.78% down on the day, 1.6% up on the week, 7.8% up on the month, and 18.6% down on the year. Again, that number, guys, that yearly number is very important. You see how it is? I'm telling you guys, it's getting closer and closer to zero, and then it will turn green. We're getting there, guys. We are getting there. Price ran all the way up to $78 thereabout approximately. Now we're having a little correction, which is okay, guys. People are taking profit. Do not panic and sell your position or close your position due to this. Anyways, now let's continue. Let's look at Jasmine, JAS. See, Jasmine, we said at 2.3 cents, right? But okay, let's go. Look at this. 2.7% up in the last hour, 2% down on the day, 5.1% up in the week, 5.6% down on the month, and 466% up in the year. Now, that is exactly, excuse me, that's exactly what I've been telling you guys. Market is not going down, guys. We're doing is getting ready, is raving the engines, guys. This thing is getting ready for a monumental jump. And if you can look at Ethereum, Okay, normally Ethereum usually be the sign that I look at more when it comes to altcoin season. When Bitcoin price starts to go sideways, slide a little bit down, and Ethereum starts to take off, guys, we're ready for that altcoin season. That's one of the biggest signs ever. And then go look at the coins that you are trading. If you choose the money printers, go look at the MACD, go look at the RSI, look at the trading ribbon, look at the sentiments on people around you. And again, guys, you will see it. It is there. It is getting ready. That's why I have my positions already. Now let's go look at trading view right quick to look at the price in a little bit details. Let's go here, trading view, and we have here Casper on the hourly. Let me close this right quick. On the 1 hourly, you guys already know, if you've been following my channel, let me zoom in. You know we are in a triangle right now. Okay, like I've been telling you guys time after time, price would go up and down, go to support and then resistance, support, resistance, support. So right now price came all the way down. As you can see, we had this line for the longest around 16.2. okay, we just touched the support and now we're moving back up again. Now we're probably going to go touch the resistance and see maybe if we have enough power, we're going to break above it, turn this into the new support, and then up we go. So look at it on the 4 hourly. Let's go on the 4 hour right quick. See that? This is the triangle I'm talking about. Casper is in a big triangle, ascending triangle going up. Okay, so here we had multiple fake outs. See, Casper went all the way up, broke above it, got rejected. Sorry about that. Went above it, got rejected. Okay, it came down. Again, tried one more time, got rejected, came down. Now the rejection here was a little stronger, so we came down, retested the support. As you can see, we got right, we bought the body right back up inside a triangle. So I'm expecting price to reverse again, probably go try this time one more time. So yeah, that's what's gonna happen in the upcoming few more days or so. But we're about to see Casper rip this thing, go above all-time high sooner than a lot of people think. So look at this on the daily. If you look at it on the daily, again, it will do exactly, you will see exactly what I've been telling you guys too. There is no much different made. Okay, we have this channel, okay, with the top part, bottom part, and the middle part. A lot of guys think like Casper, let me zoom out this way a little bit. A lot of people think that Casper is about to go all the way back down to the lower channel right there. And I'm telling you guys, it's not happening, guys. It's not happening. Because like, if you see, it's an inverse head and shoulder. The first shoulder, we have the head. Now we are forming the second shoulder. That's what is happening. And above all of it, as you can see, we are still inside this triangle, which again, guys, the triangle, all we do, break above, touch the top, come down, touch the bottom. Probably the price is gonna do that, come a little bit, touch the bottom, then go up, try the top. And now if you have enough momentum, we are going to break this top eventually, turn it into a support, and up we go. If you measure the measure target of this inverse head and shoulder, this thing will lead you right straight above 22 cents on Casper. Okay, so yeah, guys, you need to have your positions ready. I have mine. I don't that's why I said I'm not worried about this little price movement that is happening right now. Now let's go look at Quant right quick. We have Quant, QNT, USDT on Binance right here. Here we go with Quant. See, I told you guys, we need it. We are on the daily. Quant broke above. Let me zoom out just a little bit. There you go. You guys remember all last week we were just forming this bull flag, and I told you guys, normally when any asset, what happens, like when you break above a major resistance, price usually come back, turn that resistance into support, right? See that? This is a bull flag that was forming. We broke above, price came back, and the good thing about this whole situation with Quant right now is that, one, we have this $72 that was a very, very big resistance. Look at that. We tried, we finally broke above, broke below it again. Now we broke above. The good thing about this is that Quant is coming back to retest. Okay, retest the support and go. So a lot of guys also say, oh, you have the I do have the my flag downwards. It's okay. There's another way you can also draw this. Excuse me, let me go here. You can take a trend line and put it right here. See how it touches multiple times? You can put a trend line right there, and you can take another trend line, put it right here. See how it touches multiple times? Still don't matter. So if this is the right way you want to do it, that even puts Quant at a higher price than what I have it done. Because if this is the way it's supposed to, if I put the breakout point somewhere here, because yeah, it kind of makes some sense that we haven't broken out yet. We are still into this ascending triangle. If this is the way we want to look at this price action, then guys, it means this price target is even higher than $95. That Quant is above higher. Let's see. Let me look at it on the weekly. It means exactly like I've been telling you guys that Quant is probably going. Excuse me. Let me put this right quick here. Oh, come on. That means like here. There it is. See? Right there. Quant is going almost $104. You remember I've mentioned it so many times, like $104, $105. That is the place that we have this big ass sorry, excuse my language, big resistance. That means that's where we're going. Instead of the $95, Quant is going that $104. Okay, so again, look at that moving ribbon curving. Trend is going up. I'm so excited right now. I'm so excited. I can't wait to see this thing pop to those higher levels. Okay, so again, if you look, sorry about this, I want to go down a little bit on the 1 hourly. Look at that. On the 1 hourly, Quant has already started its way back up. We touch it and now we're going up. Look at the ribbon. Look at the moving average. Yeah, we already starting to go. Now let's confirm the same thing on the 4 hourly. The same. Look at that. Same hour, we went up, touch it, came back, touch. Now we're going up. We starting to move. So yeah, I am so excited to see Quant do this. Now let's go look at Jasmine. Let's look at Jasmine, JAS. Okay, JASMY. We're gonna use the Binance. See, Jasmine is doing exactly the same thing. Now, if I zoom out, look at that. We are going to that 2.3 cents. Okay, that is the major thing that I have against Jasmine right now. I want to see Jasmine crush that 2.3 cents of resistance that we do have, because every time we try to get it, we get a massive rejection. That's why I'm telling you, I am very bullish on Jasmine, but on the short term, I want to see Jasmine break above the 2.3 cents. Okay, now I want to take you on the daily for you to be able to see this a lot more clearer. See here, this was the falling wedge. We broke above, came back, retest. Now we're going up. So this is the resistance I'm talking about. We are getting rejected by the 200 moving average. So yeah, today or tomorrow, we're about to see Jasmine break above the 200 moving, turn it into support, and go above and start testing this again. So far, I have not much to say about Jasmine until we break this resistance. Once we break it, I already told you guys, the target is at 4.5 cents. After 4.5 cents, we have 6 cents. After 6 cents, we have the target of the bull flag that this thing has been forming on the weekly. Okay, if you go on the weekly, see we have this bull flag that broke out. Now the target of this bull flag is going to be way up there at 12 to 13 cents. Okay, golden pocket is at 15 cents, and above that, guys, blue sky to the fact that we do have probably 20 cents, which is a major 20 cents is a major resistance. So let's see how Jasmine is going to approach this resistance. We're probably going to break it, because the way I'm looking at it, I think it is going to fall coincides with the announcement of their lockups. Okay, if that coincides with the announcement of their lockups, 20 cents, I think we're gonna like overshoot it all the way to 25 cents and then come back, retest 20 cents as a support. That's what I think is going to happen. So yeah, there you have it. Everything is moving according to plan. Do not worry. Get into your positions, not financial advice. I'm only showing you guys what I am doing. Now, that being said, let's go right quick. Excuse me. Let's go right quick and check out my positions on my Bydfi. Okay, Bydfi, you guys already know. That's where I have my seasonal trades. Okay, trades that I plan to keep open until the top of the bull run or as close to the top as possible. Okay, so on there again, following all this stuff, not financial advice, but you can 5x, 10x, or even 20x your money if you know what you're doing. But please, if you don't, do not leverage trade, or else you're going to lose your money. Okay, start by practicing with 5x or even 3x. Start with practicing. Once you get the hang of it, the links are below. Sign up, follow their deposit requirements, get the free money, start trading. You can follow my trades, you can follow somebody else, you can do you. Actually, like again, I will say it, I don't really care about that part. What I care about is that you make money, and in 10 to 12 months we sit here and we celebrate. I don't know what you're going to be drinking, but I'll probably be drinking coffee from my Casper Maxi mug. Anyways, now let's go look at my positions right quick. Please follow along, compare with your position. Here we're gonna try with my Bydfi right there. Bydfi. Yesterday, you guys remember, I think my position was around $13,000 or something like that. Again, today we are still roaming around it. Like I told you guys, it's going sideways. Today we are still up 12,800, okay, USDT. If you go on the positions, Quant taking a breather at 73, almost $74 a piece. And you can see I am still up 35%, which is $2,500. On my Casper, I am still down, almost break even, 5%, which is down $166. Again, guys, these numbers don't really matter, because as soon as this market starts to go, you are going to see this thing go up. And again, my positions, my margin moves so fast because I am a very aggressive trader. I do trade at 50x. See that? 50x, which means if the market moves down a little bit, my position will also move, but my position will move with a higher downwards force. If the market starts to go up, my profits will move up with also a higher aggressive force. So yeah, that's why you see a little movement affects my margin a lot. So yeah, now let's go look at right quick on my Phemex. Let's go here, my Phemex right there. My Phemex, you can see I am still up. If you guys remember, yesterday I was close to $15,000, but today I am still up at $14,000. Okay, look at that right there, right in front of you. Easy and easy peasy. In a couple months we'll look at these my positions, and you guys will see probably 6 figures out of it. So yeah, looking at my contracts, my Jasmine, I am still down my Jasmine, which is around 16%, $1,900, which is okay. Okay, again, you guys know I already showed you. Go check out my videos yesterday. You see my take profit areas. Now 16%, which is 1,900. On my Casper, yeah, I am still down, or even break even, 3%, which is 153. And then you look at this new trade that I opened today on Turbo. I didn't put much in it. I just want to see what it will do. So I just only put 103 USDT in there. As you guys already know, yours truly, I'm always at 50x. I put 103 USDT. Let's see where this will go. Okay, because I kind of suspect that an altcoin season is almost there. In a couple of days, you're about to see this thing take off. So yeah, if I lose, I lose. If I gain, shit, it's gonna be even higher. Because when you look at this Turbo, for example, the last all-time high Turbo had was 0 0.0075, I think it was. When this position gets there, this thing will make me 1,600, and this is how I make the money I use for exchange fees or scale up some other positions that I want to scale up to. But the way I'm looking at this thing, I think Turbo can go up based on their market, or not market, I want to say their community sentiments. I think Turbo can get close to 1 cent or even higher than that. We'll check what the market will do. But if we try to go up, let's say if Turbo goes to 1 cent, this thing will make me almost $4,000. And again, that's good money for me to have my exchange fees or scale up my trades, right? That's the way I do this. So yeah, I found Turbo and I think I want to try it, see what it does. Anyways, here, let's go here. Here you have it, okay? Now is the time for you to start getting ready for the bear market. Okay, now is the time. Start accumulating that money. I will say it again. 10 to 15% of every profit you make from your leverages, you start putting on the side. Okay, you don't want to wait. You start putting it on the side, That way, by the time when the time comes, I don't know when you're going to short, but me for sure, when I start shorting Bitcoins, I'll let you guys know. Full transparency. That's the whole point of this my millionaire journey. I show you guys everything that I do, no hiding, not withholding information. So yeah, but that's what I do. So from now on, like, this is the time, I said it, when the bull run kicks into the third gear, that's when I usually start getting ready for my bear market positions. I will start saving right now, getting ready for it. 10 to 15%. Understand? Not too much. I don't say you put your entire profits in there. You can do it if you want. My strategy is 10 to 15%. Again, the reason is because Bitcoin usually top out first and starts to drop. Okay? When the time comes, if you want to wait for your profits on your long your long positions right now, you can also do that. But for me, that's not my strategy. I don't know which one you do. No, not financial advice. My strategy is, like I said, 10 to 15% every time I take a profit. And then by the time we get to the point that I feel that, okay, I think Bitcoin is about to top out, I don't wait for price confirmation. I just enter my positions, I scale it up, and there we go for a short. And when I close that short position, I will also let you guys know, and you will see it. Okay? Now, that said, come on. That being said, thank you again for watching my videos. Please subscribe. We're trying to make it to 5,000 subscribers. Okay? Comment, share. When you share this, YouTube pushes the video to other people who are millionaire minded like you and me. That way we can exchange ideas. So please share the video and comment. I would like to know your opinions. Do you think I'm wrong by starting to prepare for the bear market right now, or do you think my strategy is good? Do you think my foolish? Amen.